Wow.
Rolling. Right, Julie, you can see this almond. I'm going to do another attempt so you can see how it works. Put the almond in the cracker. Oh my word, it's cracked it straight in one action, that. As you can see, the naked almond is here, and you can even see I put it in my mouth and it's very delicious.
During the design of our nut and seafood cracker, here at OXO, we set out to create a tool that would crack from the largest walnut to the smallest crab leg. The OXO nut and seafood cracker features sturdy, solid zinc construction. It has non-slip grips that absorb pressure while you squeeze. Pointed teeth grab onto even slippery seafood shells, while they come together to a point for even the smallest lobster legs. The cracker is strong enough to crack through even tough stone crab legs, and is also dishwasher safe. Here's a good tip. One Oxonian uses her OXO cracker to squeeze lemon over her freshly cracked crab legs.